Well, if you're outdoors today, it was a warmer day across the valley. A little breezy too, with the winds picking up from the south and southeast. Don't get used to the warmer weather. Cold front's already on the horizon to come in here Friday afternoon. So Friday's a day when you may wake up to temperatures feeling kind of in the 60s and 70s in the morning, may reach the low 80s by lunchtime, but then that cold front's coming through in the afternoon, and then temperatures start to go back down, and the winds tomorrow come in from the north. Could be a little gusty at times, especially along the coast where it's already a little breezy this afternoon, but the colder winds will be blowing later tomorrow, and it will be a much cooler weekend. We're not talking about like freezing temperatures, but the coolest nights we've seen so far this season could be on our doorsteps here for Friday night and Saturday night. Who are all these people? Look at all those kids in there. There's one of those old kids in there. Look at that. This picture here. This picture here. This is yeah, I didn't graduate on time, I think, but this is Sam Houston Elementary. The kids there for a weather talk today. This was about hurricanes and tropical weather. So there were way too many kids to fit in that picture. But if you could imagine about another 80 kids beyond that, yeah, nice crowd there today. So yeah, I was back in school for a day. It felt great. But good weather talk here in Weslaco at Sam Houston Elementary. 91 Rio Grande City right now. Temperatures 80s. 85 in Harlingen, 84 in Brownsville, 87 in McAllen and in Edinburgh. So it is a warmer day out there and a little more humid as well. Now, if you are headed out for any Thursday evening football games, we're talking about temperatures cooling slowly through the 70s as the game goes on. Could still be near 80 at kickoff time, but falling slowly through the 70s. Still may be a little breezy out there this evening as well with those southerly and southeasterly winds. Lows tonight will be falling down through the 60s. Late tonight, roughly about 10 or 12 degrees or so warmer than it was this morning in most areas because of the added humidity and that light breeze, but skies do look pretty clear overnight. Jump ahead to tomorrow now. We have a cold front ready to move in on Friday. This front should be arriving by about midday or early afternoon. You see Future Track shows right around 1 o'clock. It's in the mid-valley. Ahead of that front, it could make it into the 80s, but look how temperatures fall quickly into the lower 70s behind the front. So as the front passes, the winds will pick up behind the front. Temperatures could fall back into the upper 60s and lower 70s most of the afternoon, depending on the cloud cover, which may get a little cloudy for a while, and then keep on falling in the evening. Evening temperatures falling through the 60s and eventually into the 50s not too long after that, and could end up in the 40s by Saturday morning. And then the sun is out on Saturday if you have plans for Saturday, but notice how temperatures don't warm up a lot. We may struggle to get back to around 70 degrees even with a full day of sunshine on Saturday. So basically, if you're making plans for Friday, plan on to start to get windy and cooler in the afternoon and evening. If you have plans for Friday night football, you don't want to go out there in shorts and a t-shirt because the winds and the cooler weather will make you feel a little chilly. 82 tomorrow for a high, but that will be falling as you saw in the afternoon hours back through the 70s and 60s with a small chance for a shower when the front passes by early afternoon. But the weekend looks gorgeous in terms of sunshine. Sunshine all day Saturday and Sunday. Highs only near 70 on Saturday, 75 on Sunday. Nighttime though in the 40s both Friday night and Saturday night. And then notice Monday we start to warm up rapidly into the 80s. Halloween, there's another weak front nearby. It may cause a couple showers around, so we'll have to keep tracking that either sometime late Tuesday or early Wednesday, about a 30% chance for showers each day, and then some warmer weather again to follow late next week. But again, we do have a cold front arriving tomorrow. We'll continue to track it in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?